Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel getassist.net, where I talk about email services, social media, troubleshooting and latest trends. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through some simple steps to log out of Instagram app. So without wasting any more time, let's jump into the video. Log out of the Instagram app. First of all, you have to open the app on your mobile device. And then you have to tap the profile icon given at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now from here you have to tap the menu icon given at the top right corner, and then you have to select the settings option. Now here, if you will scroll down a bit, you will get the option to log out of your Instagram account. You just have to press that, and then you have to again press logout to log out of your Instagram account from the app. So as you can see, I have completely logged out of my Instagram account, but in case if your username is still showing here, you can remove it by pressing this remove button, and it will completely log you out of Instagram app. So it's written that if you will remove your account, you will need to enter your username and password the next time you want to log in. So if you want to remove that, you can do that as well. So press remove, and now you have completely logged out of the Instagram app. So yeah, that was all for this video. If you found this video helpful, please do subscribe to my channel, and if you have any queries related to any of my video, you can mention that in the comment box below. With that, I will take the leave now. We'll see you the next time.